So guys, my name is Dr. Siddhant. Today I brought for you the digital dental microscope. Until now we have seen and used traditional microscopes. This is more advanced than all of them. So this microscope, it is completely digitalized. It has a Zeiss camera lens setup. If we talk about it, then the zoom and magnification you're getting in this is 34x magnification. Otherwise, in traditional microscopes, the magnification you get stays around 10 to 15x. If we talk about it, there is no eyepiece in this. Traditional microscopes have eyepieces, so the biggest drawback of that is that as per the clinician's need, they have to repeatedly adjust the focus according to their IPD. Repeatedly, one has to adjust the focus according to the patient's need, right? According to the patient's positioning, one has to repeatedly adjust the focus. This one comes with autofocus. You don't need to rest your head, you don't need to rest your neck, your posture remains straight. In this, you can work by looking directly at the screen. On a traditional microscope, you have to repeatedly rest your head so the posture changes. And if we talk as a clinician, if my assistant or associate dentist is standing with me, assisting the patient, and I am doing something like endo work or endo treatment, then at that time what happens is that they don't know which phase of the treatment I am in. So the communication gap is much higher. In this, everything is being displayed to everyone on the screen, right? And I'm also doing like normal free dentistry only. So I can guide them properly that I need these instruments or whatever. Right, so doing my cases and all becomes much easier. If we talk about other things, then in this you get 4K Ultra HD camera recording, right? Secondly, in this you can also click 4K Ultra HD camera images. So you don't need to get any separate setup. No need to mount any camera on a CM. All your work gets done in a single device. In this, you get a ring light which has multiple modes. You're also going to get orange light mode and you're also going to get green light mode. So our orange light mode will be used when I'm doing some endo work or restorative work. And my green light mode will be used when I'm doing something laser specific or when I want to highlight the nerves or something, right? So there, during the time of surgeries, my green light mode will be useful. Then again, if we talk about it, the 34x zoom that is coming in this is going to be stutter free. It's going to be lag free. In a traditional microscope, there is sequential zoom. Here you get continuous zoom. I can have wireless mouse connectivity. I can operate this microscope with a wireless mouse as well. Plus I can attach USB-based storage to it. So as you can see, it comes with two operation handles. One will be for the right side and one for the left side. In the right side operation handles, you will get all the camera lens functions in which you can do zoom, autofocus, reset, right? Adjust your light modes and adjust the brightness. Then if we talk about it, on the left hand side, you will get all the camera based features. You can do video recording, image capturing, image flipping, right? You can do that too. If you want to save a file, move the file up and down and delete or press OK to save. You can do that too. If you want to go back, you can go back. You get all these functions in both armrests, in the operation handles. And if the overall design of the machine is quite compact. You get this bar with which you can move your entire microscope, right? Then you get two knobs here which are for adjusting your ring light and brightness. For example, if you look at this knob, this will be the ring light knob. You can increase or decrease it as well. For example, here I have reduced the intensity and here inside my microscope will be the camera lens light. I can increase or decrease that too. These knobs are very easy to operate and very easy to handle. Even at the time of surgery, it's hardly going to take you a second or two. Then if we talk about it, so backwards and forwards, I can move it almost 90 degrees on both ways, right? If we talk about the rest, then multiple ports will come in this. For example, you're going to get USB ports for storage. You're going to get a USB port for wireless mouse connectivity. You're going to get a LAN port. If you want to do broadcasting, then it'll come for that. An HDMI port will come with which you can also display this on any other large 4K monitor. I can move the entire microscope with my handlebar, right? So I'll have that option too. I can fix it at any position. This comes with a 4K monitor screen, right? In which you can plan any of your treatments or execute treatments while watching. And then if you want to display it somewhere else, then you can connect it to a 4K TV or a 4K monitor via HDMI cable. So as I mentioned, you can connect a wireless mouse to this. So once the wireless mouse is connected, autofocus becomes a very easy task. I can just click anywhere I want to and it will automatically focus over there, right? In fact, if I have to do some fine tunings, for example, I want to change where I want to save my videos, where I want to save my photos, I can change all the settings. In case if I want to insert any annotation or anything on my image, I can do that too, right? I also change everything, whatever I want to. I can also change the lighting settings. For example, light settings will come. I can just change the manual light settings from here as well, right? And as I told you that green and orange modes come in this, so I will show you those two. This is going to be a green mode. This is going to be a orange mode. So I get the orange mode and green light mode as well, which I can operate from here too, and can also operate from the console. This microscope unit is a completely self-standing unit. The biggest benefit of a self-standing unit is that, for example, if I have 4 chairs in my clinic, then I can use this unit on all 4 chairs. By moving it around, there is no drawback for me. Currently, with traditional microscopes, the biggest problem we face is that if I have it ceiling mounted or chair mounted, then it will work only on that particular chair or at that particular ceiling operatory. With this, I have no restrictions as such. If you talk about it, then its base is quite solid, right? It comes in a full aluminium body, it will come in a die-cast body, and its wheels come with stoppers, so it will not move around from its position. If someone puts a hand on it or even leans on it, then it will not tumble down. It is having a very good base and a very good solid rigid body.